No, don't touch him because maybe he will hurt you. Don't touch. Just see him.
And you will cut him.
Yeah.
He will.
But you cannot touch. You cannot touch him because he's nice cat, eh? But don't touch him because maybe he's good.
But he's so friends.
Yeah, he's so friendly. He likes people. Yeah, meow. 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 Catty meow. Catty meow. So Catty meow. You know, we feed this catty last time. We give food to the catty last time. We give him food. We give him milk. Catty, today we don't have milk, Catty. We
I
cannot
have food and milk.
in the house. Should bring for him a bit of your food, okay? Like fish or chicken. He likes fish or chicken, or he likes milk also. Yeah, but here we cannot feed the catty because it's not allowed for us to feed the catty.